Oh, I was wondering if this is on. Okay. Let's get into characterization. And this is for KK. I think KK is the oldest one. And KK, your project, get you girls. I gotta find the end so it doesn't fall apart. And maybe it will. Okay, KK project. Survival necklace. And I only had a few problems, but you'll have everything that carry around your neck. And let's take it apart. Okay, safety glasses to prevent people from spitting on you. 2 masks so you don't get the deadly germs. And some kind of fashionable hat. Okay, more fun stuff with Uncle Al. And you get these from any color you want, clear, amber, whatever. These are safety glasses, tinted, so you don't get germs or whatever, tear gas, spray, whatever. And you see, they're very fashionable. I shall return, or I will be back. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Okay, folks. And folks who don't realize who I am, I'm not that strange person. Well, I am a strange person, but I'm Uncle Al. Okay, let's get a better hat. Yeah, maybe not. I don't know where I put it. Okay. Now let's put this one back on. It's the only hat we got. Okay. So anyway, you make it out of paracord. Okay, you have paracord about 3 feet or longer. And you have all these gadgets and gizmos stuck into it. So let's see what's in our gadgets and gizmos. Okay. Now let's take this one off because it's the biggest and easiest. We have a large carabiner. You can put things on it like this. Yeah. Very large spoon that you get at a thrift store. It's pressed metal. You could use for eating, for digging. A whole bunch of things you could do with a large metal spoon. Now, a lot of people look at me, I'm calling you're nuts. But think about it. You could do a lot of things with a large metal spoon. Okay. Carbine again. And at thrift store, a metal cup. Because metal cup, what you do if you have a fire, remember the buddy burner? You put it underneath and you have a nice cup to heat up water or something, or make a cup of tea, or you can fix yourself oatmeal, boiling water and oatmeal, and carabiner and that. And if you have clean water, do not drink out of the rivers like somebody we know, Hubble's cat. Let's see what we got. Oh boy, got a lot of stuff on this one. It's going to be a long video, folks. So if you want to snip out, get a snack. We have a shorter carabiner. So we have 2 ones. We got a big one and a little one. So what other amazing device do we have here? If I could get it off of the rope. Yeah, oops. Yeah. It's 2 king rings, and I think it's a whistle. Whistle. Let's see what else do we got in the, whoops, I almost electrocuted myself. The paracord. Garland doesn't make paracord necklaces. We have an old-fashioned Boy Scout knife. Ta-da! Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I thought I had a compass someplace. I can't remember where I put it. No, I had compass. But anyway, matches. Yeah. There we go. And this is the good old-fashioned type. Long before you were born, when dinosaurs ruled the earth, you had matches, the good kind, the explodey type, and it has a rubber gasket at the end. See? Nice rubber gasket. So it keeps everything in here nice and dry. And let's see what else we got. And we'll pull two this time. I don't know what happened to my compass. I thought I had a compass someplace. Now I'll get another one. Keep losing these things. We have a thermometer, I think. Yeah, it's a thermometer. Tells how cold it is. I thought I had a compass someplace. What you always need is a handcuff key to escape from the evildoers or police, either way. Let's see what I got. And we'll take off the rest of them because Uncle Han's getting tired and got too much stuff. So anyway, you got all this paracord that you braided, paracord braid, into your favorite, hang it around the neck. Make sure you have something quick release so you don't go like that. So just pop it off and presto. And you can let people have it. All this stuff you think somebody is going to hurt. So anyway, we have a little pill case that you can put tinder, cash, coinage, whatever you need right here. I carry several of these. You have a clip. This is a flashlight, little tiny flashlight. See? Get you around. That's about 70 lumens. Now the most important things, you should have blanket pins. Okay, if you have any kind of woolen blanket, you're supposed to have about 4 of these. These are the big safety pins. You have the regular size. These are called blanket pins. Yeah, and that's it for that, and that's for KK. You figure out a way using this. I didn't show that I had duct tape, not duct tape, electrical tape. There's a whole thing you could put on a survival necklace, but after a while it gets heavier and heavier and kind of lean over that way. But I gotta figure out how to get a smaller spoon. But like I said, you could do all sorts of things with each of these items. There's more items because I just got a box full. So I hope that was fun, and it's another weekend weird stuff with Uncle Al. So anyway, it's a fun project. I hope you like it, kids. Catch you later.